Now, if the power button on your Shokz OpenRun Pro is not working, well, there are a few things that you could try doing to fix this issue. So first is you want to check how you're turning it on. So start by making sure you're pressing the right button the right way here. Now, on the OpenRun Pro, the volume plus button or the volume up button doubles as a power button. Now you need to press and hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds until you hear the welcome to Shokz or see the LED light flash. Now if you only tap it quickly, just turns the volume up. So hold it for a bit longer to see if if it works or if the power is on. Now next is you want to give it a good charge. Now if nothing happens after holding the button, it might just be out of battery. Plug it into a working charger using a magnetic charging cable or and let it slide or let it sit for at least an hour. Now watch for the red LED light while charging. Once it turns blue, that means it's full. If no light shows up at all, try another cable or power source to rule out charging issues. Now also, you may want to do a soft reset. Sometimes the headset just needs a quick reset to clear a software glitch. Now to do this, you want to turn it off first, then press the and hold the power or the volume up button, volume down button, and or the volume minus or the volume down button and the multi-function button all together for about 5 seconds. Now when you see the LED flash or hear a beep, yours or you've successfully reset it. After that, try powering it on again. Now, also you may want to clean around the power button. Now, if the button feels stuck or doesn't click properly, it might be blocked by sweat, dirt, or dust. So you may want to gently clean around the button with a soft cloth or cotton swab slightly dampened with rubbing alcohol. Now, press the button a few times to loosen it. Now, sometimes that's all it takes to make it responsive again. And also, you may want to update your firmware. Now, if your Shokz still turns on but the buttons acts weird, check for a firmware update. Open the Shokz app, connect your headphones, and look for any available updates. Now, the company occasionally releases fixes for button or connection issues, so it's worth keeping the firmware up to date. Now, if you've tried charging, resetting, and cleaning, and the button still won't respond, the internal switch might be damaged. So, Shokz has a solid warranty, so reach out to their support team with your purchase details. They often replace faulty units quickly, especially for common button problems on the OpenRun Pro. And that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.